When I say chicken, you all say wings. Chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. So let's begin making our chicken wings. You will need a bowl with chicken wings, olive oil, tongs, a big spoon, a large plate, seasonings such as salt, pepper, garlic powder, and red chili powder. And lastly, this is optional by the way, plain yogurt. First, add in some olive oil to the chicken, just enough to give them a light coating. Then give them a quick mix with the spoon. Next, add in the plain yogurt. Again, this is optional, but I like to add in for flavor and crispiness. Then give it a quick mix. This is how it should look like after the yogurt has been thoroughly stirred in. Next, one by one, use the tongs and put the chicken on a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then sprinkle on evenly salt, pepper, garlic powder, and red chili powder. But if that's too hot for you, you can skip that. I love hot chicken, so I apply tons. Then flip all the chicken pieces over and season the backside the way you just did the front sides. Then you put them in this wonderful machine. Whoever invented this machine has made my life super easy. Then you get your friend George here to preheat the air fryer at 360 for 5 minutes. Then fill the air fryer with the wings and space them evenly apart. Do another run if you have too many to fit in all at once. Then put them in the air fryer and set it to 360 degrees Fahrenheit at 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are done, take the wings out and turn them all over to cook them again at 360 degrees at 10 minutes. So the total cook time is 20 minutes. And when they are done, you got these delicious, crispy chicken wings that will be a huge treat to your taste buds. Here, George, have one of my chicken wings, won't you? See you all next time. Bye. 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 Bye.